Today on Do It with Dean, we're going to repair this seat cover. As you can see here, this is the reason why I had to repair it. It's completely rotten. It seems like they rot out real bad over time around where the staples are. So we're going to get us a piece of 3/4 inch plywood and treated wood. This is not 3/4 inch. Looks to be, I don't know, a little better than 1/2 inch. But I'm gonna change this thing out. I looked on the internet. These sell for quite a bit of money. You can actually buy the kit, a little over $100 a kit that's already pre-cut for the wood. So I took a few measurements, and I'm gonna take a couple of hours and replace this. Of course, this is the old seat, so um, bear with me, and I'm gonna speed this up and get it done. What you're seeing is me taking the old. I covered the seat before and just recovered the one that was on it, uh, and didn't replace the seat bottom, and it rotted out. I just took a 2 inch hole saw and made those air holes so the seat deflates when you sit down on it. Here I'm starting to put it together, but I forgot to round the corners off. When I started to realize it, I went ahead and took it back off and marked up the corners, cut them with a jigsaw, and rounding them off. And I'm going to smooth it out with some sandpaper so that or with a sander, so the edges don't over time tear up the seat. The straight edges were just too much to bind the seat cover around. That seat cover is, the foam is like 5 inches in the front, and it goes down to 4 inches in the back. You really have to press down on it with your knees or something to get that stuff straight. Um, those little rubber bumpers I put on with self-tapping panhead screws because staples just wouldn't hold them. All right, so you can see it's finished now. Um, so I cut my board 41.5 inches. No, I'm sorry, 41 inches by 16 and a half. And it seems to work real good. I just barely have some room. It's back and forth. It sits on there real good, and you can see it's good to go. Now this seat should be real similar. This is a Carryall too, but this seat, it calls for the same dimensions as the old school DSs. I think pre-2000 DSs, if I'm not mistaken. The DSs have some cutouts right here on the sides for their rails. This one doesn't need it because of these rails are a little different. Uh, but anyway, that it's not that big of a deal. It's 3/4 inch treated plywood, 41 inches long, 16.5 inches deep, and as you can see, this one had pretty much had it. Uh, if you can make it out in the time lapse, I went ahead and reused these. I just knocked them out. I put the bolts in them and hammered them out. Those are kind of like T-nuts. They just drive in there. So I drilled holes and put them back. Don't forget to drill your air holes so your seat deflates when you sit down. Um, anyway, not a bad project. I see these seats for sale for a few $100s. No need to buy one when you can buy. I think that I bought a half sheet of plywood, and I think it cost me $33 at our Lowe's here, and that's about all I bought was the plywood. Um, these seats are for sale on Etsy and everywhere else for over $100. So with some basic hand tools, You can do it for about 35 bucks. I wanted to thank you guys for tuning in and watching some of my videos. If you're a guy who likes to fix things and not pay people to do things, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We'll learn things together. I am not a golf cart mechanic by any means. I am a guy who likes to tinker with things. And recently I've acquired a few Club Car golf carts, and it's been a really fun experience, taking some of these carts from basically the junkyard, reviving them, and making them into useful things. I don't typically flip and sell these things. However, I've been asked lately to do several lithium swaps for people. So if you like that kind of content, and you've enjoyed the video, take a minute, hit the subscribe button. It really helps my channel as I'm trying to get enough subscribers to do reviews on certain products that are floating around on the internet related to Club Car golf carts. So appreciate you guys. Thanks a lot. And hopefully you'll hit that subscribe button. Thanks.